that
array
can be a difference. That can be a difference between the linked list and the array.
linked list and array. Okay. Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So linked list it is a dynamic data structure. Okay. So in case of array, the main two difference between array and linked list are array is of fixed size, but there are no space constraint in case of linked list. One condition, one point, and the second point is that, if you one second. So this is the node structure of an linked list. So in linked list, every node has two parts. This is a single linked list. This is the simplest one, single linked list. So first part is called the data part, and the second part is the pointer part. Okay, it points to the address of the next node. Okay, so this part, second part, is called the next part or pointer part or the information part of the next node, which is of same type, So if you split the node, then you get, for a single linked list, you get the two parts. First part is the data part, and second part is the information part, which is a pointer. Okay, and the second part points to the next node, which is of same type. That's why these data structures are called the self-referencing data structure. Okay, so there is a pointer. First there will be a pointer. So this is the pointer header, or we can say that this is the start node. Actually the header or the start node has no data part. Okay, only it will point to the first node. Okay, so there is a pointer or header that points to the first element, and successive nodes are connected by the pointers. But the last node's second part, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And the last node's pointer part is made null. Why? Because nothing to point. This is the last node. That's why the second part of the last node is made null. Okay. Now it grows or shrink in size during the execution of a program. This is one of the most important advantage in case of linked list, and it can be made just as long as required. It does not waste any memory space. Okay, consume exactly what it needs. So array versus linked list. So this is the array structure. Okay, this contains a homogeneous data, that is all data are either int or float or char. Okay, that's why homogeneous. And continuous memory location. Okay, so 0 1 index are 0, which we know that generally your array index starts from the 0, so 0 through 9, so the array size is 10. Okay, so 10 15 20 through 50, total there are total 10 elements. Okay, now in arrays the elements are stored in contiguous memory locations. Okay, and these are static data structure unless we use the dynamic memory allocation, and arrays are suitable for insertion and deletion an element at the end, insertion and deletion an element at the end. So inserting an element at the end, this is one of the most suitable data structure array. Now random access of any element and searching the list for a particular value. Searching a list for a particular value. If we use the linear search, the complexity will be order of n, the size of the array. If we use the binary search, it will reduce to log n, log 2 base n, LGN. Okay. In case of linked list, non-contiguous storage location. So this is your array A, B through K. This is the array. Now 10, we put the data part in a node that is 10. So 10, the index of 10 is H. So we put H here. Okay. Next 15 is there. We sort the array. First we collect the data from the unsorted array, and then we sort the array. So 10 is collected from this array and its position is at H. Next 15 is at A. Okay. 20 is coming from I. So this is 20 and the index is coming from I. Okay. Now we know that a node has two parts. First part is called the data part and the second part is called the pointer part. What is the pointer? This pointer actually stores the information of the next node's address. So 10 is the first node. If we sort the array, what will be the next one? So 15 is the next one. Now address of 15 is A. Okay. So this information is stored in the next part of first node. Every node has two parts, data part and the next part or information part. So this one will contain the address of the next node. So 10, next A, 15. So next one is 20. So value of the address value of 20 is I. So I is stored here. Next 20. Next 22. The value, the address of 22 is E. So E is stored here. Okay. So we shape the nodes in the desired format. That are two parts, data part and the information part. Okay. Next, we draw the links between the nodes. So 10, so pointer part points to the next node 15, next 15 points to the 20, 20 points to the 22 and up to 50. Okay. Now 50, the data part of that 50 is the last node. The data part of the 50 is 50 and the next part of the 50 is made null because it is the last node. There are no nodes beyond the 50. Okay. As this is the last node and this is the single linked list. So that's why the last part of the 50 is made null. Okay. So in linked list, adjacency between any two elements are maintained by means of links or pointer. Okay. And it used only the dynamic allocation. Ritam, are you there? Ritam? Hello? Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Where is Ritam? Okay, Odhiraj. Can you hear me, Odhiraj? So, what are the dynamic memory allocation in C? Which functions are used? Which functions are used for dynamic memory allocation? Only calloc.
Malloc function.
Calloc and malloc. And which function is used to delete the dynamically allocated memory space, which realloc. Then hers, which function?
Sir, free.
Free. Yes,
Sir.
free. Free function are used. Okay. Free functions are used. So linked lists are suitable for inserting an element at any position, deletion a element from anywhere, and in situation where the number of elements cannot be predicted beforehand. This is one of the most major advantage in linked list. Situation where the number of elements cannot be predicted beforehand. There we have to use the linked list. So linked list, this is the node of a linked list, single linked list. In case of single linked list, it can be divided into two parts. First part is the data part, and second part is the pointer part, which points to the next node. So data and the pointer, let the pointer name is next. Okay. Now data, let the return type of the data is integer. Now this node, how to write the node, how to write the code fragment for this node? This node has two parts. It is not homogeneous. First one is the data part and second one is the pointer part. Okay, which is a self-referencing data structure. That is, this pointer part points to a node which can be segregated into two parts. First one is the data part and second one is the next part. Again, that next is pointing to a node which can be divided into two parts, data and next, so on and so forth. So that's why this is the self-referencing data structure. So this next, the return type, this is the pointer. So this pointer, next pointer, the return type of this next pointer should be similar to this node, the node's return type. So how to define a node in a linked list? So this is the node declaration code. Struct node int data, the data part, and the next part whose return type is struct nodes as a self-referencing data structure. Okay. Such structure which contains a member field pointing to the same structure type are called the self-referencing structures. Okay. So this is a single linked list. A head pointer address the first element of the list. Each element points to a successor element, and the last element, obviously the last element, pointer part of the last element will be made null. This is the double linked list. Okay, double linked list, there will be two pointers, previous and the next. Okay, previous and next. So how to define? So struct node, struct node so first part is the int data and the second part is the pointer. Second part is the next pointer. Return type is struct node, as this is the self-referencing, as self-referencing data structure. Okay. Up to this, any problem? Please ask me. Sean, any problem
No, sir.
up to this?
No, sir.
No problem. So single linked list, this is the node structure. This is the node structure, okay? Now we have to study the single linked list, the circular linked list, a double linked list, okay? Single linked list, circular linked list, and the double linked list. So for single linked list, so what is the single linked list? One, this is the data part. Next part is the two, let second node, and let this is the third node, 3. Now this is the pointer part of first node, so this points to the second node, address of the second node. So second part of the second node, that is pointer part, points to the address of the third node. As we assume that there are 3 nodes, so the last node pointer part is made null, okay? And this is your start or head node, header. This is called the either start or header, okay? Head node, okay? So this is the example of SLL, single linked list, okay? In case of circular linked list, in case of circular, so how to traverse from how to get the last node of the single linked list? Any idea? Any idea how to scan the last node? Ishita Agarwal, how to get the last node of a single linked list? Any idea?
Sir, no idea.
So if you set a pointer, if you set a pointer at the first node, this is the first node, okay? If you set the pointer at the first node and you run a while loop while your PTR arrow next is not equal to null, then only you can at the last node. So how to traverse? How to traverse? Okay, I will explain this. So there are several operations in SLL operations. Please ask me any questions if you have any doubts, please. SLL operations. So the SLL operations are traversing, okay, searching. So this is the node structure. Ishita, is it okay? Up to this node structure?
Yes, sir.
As this is the self-referencing data structure, and it has 2 parts in case of SLL. So SLL, node structure of SLL. What will be the node structure of DLL?
Sir, it will have 2 pointers.
Yes, so it will have 2 pointers. So node structure of DLL. So node structure of DLL, I just copy this code. So struct node. So in case of DLL, double linked list. In case of double linked list, so this is your data part. This is your data part, and there will be 2 pointers. This is the previous pointer, and this is the next pointer. Okay. This is the previous pointer, and this is the next pointer. Okay. Now, so first The first one is the uh, pointer is prev. First pointer is prev. What will be the return type of this prev? As this is the self-referencing data structure, struct struct node. So struct node prev. Struct node prev. Next part is the okay. Muskan. So this is the data part. So this is the data part. This is the first pointer. First pointer. So this is the node structure for. So this is the node structure for DLL. Okay, and this is the second pointer. Second pointer. That is the next pointer. Okay. Now, SLL operations. SLL operations. What are the operations? Basic operations. So traversing, searching, okay, insertion, deletion, and sorting, merging of two SLLs. So in single linked list, we have to study these operations. First, we have to traverse the whole list. Then we have to search a particular value. Insertion. So insertion at beginning, at end, at any specified location, either before or after. Okay. Similarly, deletion, in case of deletion, you can delete from beginning, or from end, or from any specified location, either before or after. Okay. So how to traverse? A list? How to traverse a list? Any idea how to traverse the list? Anyone? Any idea?
Sir, as long as the next pointer is not
null. Okay. Very good.
is not null, we can run a while loop. But sir, I don't know if it would work properly in some cases, because there
What
can
is the algorithm? So what is the algorithm?
why
So
why
PTR. So let we choose a temporary pointer PTR. PTR is the starting node. PTR points to the starting node. Okay. So your so this is your PTR. So this is your PTR, okay? This is the PTR. This PTR is initially at the starting or header node. So PTR is equal to start. Okay. Now this head or start is just a just holds the information about the first node. So your PTR is actually starting from the start node. So how to write? So PTR is equal to start. I'm just writing the algorithm, okay? So PTR is equal to start. So while sorry. So while your PTR arrow next PTR arrow next not is equal to null. Okay. Fine. You have to traverse. Then PTR uh, print PTR. Which one? Data. Yes, the data part. And at the same time, after printing every value, you have to proceed. So at the first step, it will print the first data value 1. Okay. Next, you have to proceed from 1 to the first node to second node. So what will be the condition?
PTR equal to PTR next.
So PTR is equal to PTR next. PTR is equal to PTR next. So inside the while loop, there are 2 lines. So first line will print. So first line will print the value, and the second line just advance your pointer to the next node. So at the next node you will get 2. At the third node you will get 3. Okay. And last is the exit. Is it clear to you? So this is for forward your PTR pointer and print your value. This is the print your value. Ishan,
Yes, sir.
up to this, any problem?
Sir, don't we need to print the PTR data of the last element? Because in this, it will not print the last element. Because PTR next of the last element is null, so it will not go inside the while loop and not print the data part of the last node.
Okay, then how to modify this code?
Before exit, we write print PTR data just once outside the loop.
Outside the loop?
Because
outside.
PTR is
Yes.
now the last node, so
Okay.
it will not go inside the while loop, so it will not print the data portion of the last node. So we'll need to print it separately.
Any other suggestion?
Sir, in while loop, we will remove the condition ptr.next. In place of that, we will write ptr not equal to null.
PTR not is equal to null. Okay. It is another way. Okay. PTR not is equal to null. PTR not is equal to PTR not is equal to null. If PTR not is equal to null, so so this is the code. So this is the code for printing, traversing and printing, printing the values of the SLL. Okay. So PTR is equal to start, and unless and until your PTR not is equal to temporary pointer not is equal to null, just put the data. If you use the PTR arrow next not is equal to null, then as Kishan said that we have to put the PTR data once again. Okay. Is it okay? Is it fine to you? Up to this, any problem? Maz, are you there, Maz? Not getting 9094. Okay, no problem, no problem. Okay, next, how to search? How to search? How to search? Any idea?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, first of all, we will check for the condition. If like the starts pointing to null, then we will automatically break out of that
Okay.
function
Okay.
because it is not working. And then,
Okay.
sir, we will
If
take a
sorry, one second. If your start, if
yes, sir.
one
Yes,
second.
sir.
If start is strt, if start is null, if
Yes, sir.
start is null, then your entire list is empty.
Yes, sir.
Your entire list is empty, so the message is underflow.
Then it is
Underflow. Okay. Otherwise, what should we do?
sir. Otherwise, then we will take the value we need to search, and we'll input the value we need to search in that linked list, and then
So
we will,
again, PTR is equal to start. Okay.
yes, sir. PTR is equal to start, and
And
then
while
PTR,
your
yes, sir.
while
Then
your
why PTR is not equal to null?
PTR not is equal to PTR not is equal to null. Okay.
Yes, sir.
PTR not is equal to null. Then
Yes, sir. And then we will like take a variable and we will find out the value at every node.
if
Like
that is if your
yes,
value
if your value if our value is PTR data, then
yes
we will break
very
out
good
of the node.
PTR data
We will break out
PTR
of the
data
node.
if PTR data
Yes. Then
then
f is equal to 1. F we can assign like flag f is equal to 1, and then we will break out of the loop and we will print that the value exists at PTR position. That PTR position.
okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Is it clear to you? All of you, is it clear to you? How to search a particular value? Any problem?
If
Please
we have
answer.
only one data in linked list, in that case it will not enter the loop.
If
We have only one data in linked list.
why not?
So
This
then
is your
in the
start.
first case it will get a null value.
Let this is your 1. Okay. Only one value is there, and this is the last one is the null. Okay. And start is pointing to the first value. Okay. Now PTR, this pointer PTR is initialized to the first value. PTR is initialized with the first value. Now, if the first node is null, if the first node is null, the condition is that PTR not is equal to null. So PTR now points to the first node, and inside the loop you are printing the value, PTR data part value. Any problem?
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sure. Got it.
Okay. So you can do it, do
Sir,
yourself.
there should be an else part also for PTR equals to PTR dot next to move to the next node, because it is not necessary we will get the value in the first position only.
There will be, yes, there will be a next value. You have to proceed this. So
Sir, so
if
we have to
the value is equal to PTR data, then
flag equals to
there will
one
be,
break.
yes, flag. Then you have to store this, let the position value. position is equal to ptr. Okay, if this is if
Sir,
this
if
is
we
true,
put position equals to PTR, it will give the address and not the index.
it will get the address.
Address.
Yes,
So
it
we
will get.
don't need the address. We need the index now, so we have to put count, I guess, for that.
No, I think we need to put a counter which we will
That
increment
is what
every
I'm
time we go
telling.
to the.
That
So,
is
but,
what
हाँ,
I'm telling. We
yeah,
need
yeah.
to put a counter.
हाँ वही
but we have the location PTR, na?
That PTR will give you the address value, the address at which the value is stored, not the index.
Okay, Megha, how should we modify this program?
So while PTR not equals to null, we'll enter the loop. If value
Okay.
is equal to PTR of data,
Okay.
flag equals to 1, break.
One
Else,
second. Flag. Let flag. Flag is equal to
1, break.
one. Break. Next line is break. Break.
Else it will be PTR equals else PTR
Else.
equals to PTR dot next.
Else PTR. We have to move. PTR is equal to
Yes,
PTR
PTR of next.
next. Okay. Very good. Anything else? And we have to
Sir,
initialize.
But sir, how does this give the position of the?
For that you have to specify counter in the starting only while entering the loop.
Yeah, that's what I was telling.
So here
sir.
PTR is equal to start. Then
After PTR not equals to null, we'll put count equals to count plus 1.
count is equal to
Sir,
count plus one. Count. Yes.
আমরা ইন্ডেক্সিংটা কেন করছি?
কোন indexing?
এই যে কাউন্ট
কাউন্ট
When
ও
we
বলছে
need to
কাউন্ট
find
করার
the
জন্য
position.
কাউন্ট করার কোনো দরকার নেই। PTR not is equal to null if the value is
না মানে স্যার এমনি যদি আমার অ্যাড্রেস মানে যদি আমার অ্যাড্রেস ওয়াইজও যদি আমার কোনো স্পেসিফিক এলিমেন্ট একটা লিংক লিস্ট থেকে আমার বার করতে হয়, আমার ইন্ডেক্সের বেটার আমার পয়েন্টারের অ্যাড্রেসটা আমার বেশি কাজে আসবে না?
পয়েন্টারের অ্যাড্রেসই তো রিটার্ন করছে। তুমি
না
যখন এটা
ওরা হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু ওরা বলছে একটা কাউন্ট ভেরিয়েবল রেখে ওখানে 1
এটা
2
যেহেতু
3
অ্যালগরিদম
অ্যারের ইন্ডেক্স হয় সেরকম ইন্ডেক্স রাখতে।
এটা যেহেতু অ্যালগরিদম ওরা যেরকম ভাবে পাচ্ছে সেরকম ভাবে বলছে, কোনো নো প্রবলেম। দে ক্যান মডিফাই ইন দেয়ার ওন ওয়ে, কোনো প্রবলেমই নেই। যখন ওরা
No,
কোড
like
করবে
suppose
কোড
Ishan,
করবে তখন প্রবলেম হবে, তখন সেটাকে রিজলভ করতে পারবে।
सर हम बोल रहे हैं कि एड्रेस लेके क्या फायदा, मतलब अगर हम लोग को पता है कि कौन से पोजीशन में वैल्यू है तो उसका हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इंडेक्स से पता चलेगा कि कौन से नंबर पे
नहीं,
वैल्यू है।
वो ईशान बोल रहा है कि अगर हम लोग को प्रॉब्लम ये है कि सर्चिंग ही करना है तो हम लोग को काउंटर का जरूरत नहीं है, सिर्फ मतलब
Yes.
अगर
Simple.
एलिमेंट मिल गया तो बाहर आ जाए, वैसा बोलना
हाँ
चाह रहा है।
You have to
वही,
insert
लेकिन किशन बोला कि अगर चाहिए कि
हाँ,
इंडेक्स
चाहिए तो
चाहिए
वही
तो
हम
हम
लोग
बोले कि
counter लगाना
काउंटर का
पड़ता है।
जरूरत पड़ सकता है।
अरे देख ये एरे जैसा इंडेक्स लिंक लिस्ट इंडेक्स बेस नहीं है,
हाँ
तो
हाँ
इंडेक्स से ज्यादा मेरा पॉइंटर एड्रेस ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है, क्योंकि मैं उस पॉइंटर एड्रेस से मैं इजीली वो डेटा को एक्सेस कर सकता हूँ। जस्ट वो पॉइंटर का एड्रेस डीरेफरेंस करना होगा।
पॉइंटर एड्रेस इम्पोर्टेंट कंप्यूटर वाइज है कि जब हम लोग को एक्सेस करना हो, पर एज अ ह्यूमन अगर हम लोग को एक लिस्ट दिया जाए और पूछा जाए कि वो कहाँ है तो हम लोग को उसका नंबर बताना पड़ेगा ना, उस वो सोच के हम बोला।
अरे
वरना
वो
वैसे
सब
तेरा बोलना
you
चाहिए।
have to initially you have to create the list, right? You have to create the list. How to create the list? We use the create function, okay? Create function, and it will return the head start, okay? It will return the start, and str is struct node start next, and struct node, okay? Sorry, this is the small, this should be small struct. Now so there will be a new node. We have to dynamically allocate the new node. This will contain your address as well as is the pointer, this will contain your address, and at the same time, as every nodes are data part, it will contain the data. ঈশান যে বলেছিল আমাকে যে পয়েন্টার দিয়েই হবে, পয়েন্টার দিয়েই তো কমপ্লিট করা যাবে। নিউ নোড and ptr, new node and ptr. So ptr is temporary pointer, so return type of these tools are struct node. Okay, now let the value is int n is, so let printf, we are continuously inserting, enter -1 for break, let -1 for end or break. Now enter the data, let enter the data, enter the data, and if so the data is 1 second, the data is in. Okay, next, while, so you are continuously inserting the data, so while your n not is equal to 1. Okay, so inside this you have to create dynamically the new node. So new node is how to dynamically create, using malloc. Let we use the malloc function. So first one is the class type. What is the class type? Here, struct node star. Okay, struct node star. And next part is the byte size. So size of the byte size is same type, struct node, where we dynamically allocate the new node. Now new node data, new node data is equal to your n. So here this new node contains the value. So if your value is ptr data, then as per এটা কে বলেছিল f is equal to 1, মেঘা, right? মেঘা বলেছিল তো?
Yes, sir.
Okay, if value is equal to ptr data, then flag is equal to 1 and break, and otherwise you can just write
Sir,
any
there
variable
also we can put
p
print.
is equal to or any variable p is equal to your ptr. Okay, so this ptr will contain the data and position. If your value is ptr arrow data, then we just get the position as well as the data. Every node has two parts, data part and the pointer part, and your ptr is not equal to null, you have to traverse. Otherwise if this happens, then you can use the break, otherwise advance, and finally exit. This is the searching in a list. কারোর কোনো প্রবলেম আছে কিনা বলো, সার্চিং এ লিস্ট? यश, अधिराज, किशान।
सर रिटर्न नहीं करना पड़ेगा एग्जिट करने से पहले सर्चिंग में?
You can show the position, you can show the exact location, the data, anything you want.
Yes, sir.
This is just the pseudocode. Okay, you have to modify your entire thinking in the language. This is the part of the program. This is the part. This is just a uh, part of the program. Okay, how to create the node? How to create the node? So if the data part is in. Now, if your, one second, if your list is initially empty, is it visible?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Yes, sir, in that malloc function, we need to specify ना how many मतलब n into size of struct node, क्योंकि अगर सिर्फ size of struct node करेंगे तो सिर्फ एक ही place हम लोग को मिलेगा.
Every time while a not is equal to 1, every time you have to create the dynamically new node.
अच्छा हाँ ठीक
This is
है.
the main advantage. This is the main advantage of list. One second.
স্যার n
Sir,
equal not equals
n
to
not
minus
equal to
হবে না
-1.
কোথায়?
এই গো ইয়াতে কেন আমরা তো নিচ্ছি -1 for n
Yes, sir. So
Oh,
why is it not equal to
sorry. Extremely sorry. -1. Thank you. Enter -1 for end. এটা বললে তো? এটাই বলেছো তো? Enter -1 for
yes,
n.
sir. Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ
Yes.
স্যার
Okay, thank you. So n not is while n not is equal to -1. While n not is equal to -1, every time it will create a new node, dynamically new node. Struct node star malloc function using malloc size of mega. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Mega question করেছিল তো?
हाँ, yes, sir, understood.
Okay.
वो
Okay.
हाँ ठीक है.
Okay. So if initially your list is empty, so initially if your list is empty, what is the condition for list is empty? What is the condition?
Sir,
If
rare is
start,
equal to front. Rare is equal to
huh?
front.
কি?
Sir, rare is equal to front.
রেয়ার ইজ দ্য ফ্রন্ট তোমাদেরকে পড়িয়েছে লিস্টের ইয়ে কিউ পড়িয়েছে, কিউটা এখানে অ্যাপ্লাই করে দিয়েছে। রেয়ার ইজ
So I mean, start is equal to null. Sir. What?
স্টার্ট ইজ ইকুয়াল টু
Sir, null, null.
null. If start is equal to null, so if start is equal to null, কি করব? If start is equal to null, then so if start is equal to null, so initially if start is equal to null, that is your entire list is empty. Okay, if you want to delete something from the null list, so message will be underflow, right? Now the list is empty, so the new node is already created. Let the data part of the new node is 5. New node is created. Okay, this is the new node. This new node is already created using malloc function. Now if the list is empty, then you have to write just কি লিখবো? new node mega new node next is equal to, what should we write? New node next. Initially your entire list is empty. Now
Null,
you are
sir.
yes,
Null.
null. Yes, very good, null. So null, and your new node is the start node. Now becomes your new node the start node. So you have to write start is equal to new node. Okay, so if initially your list is empty, then you have to write this one. Otherwise that is the list is not empty. কি করব? Anyone? What should we write? If this is completely
Sir,
empty.
we will take the last element of the linked list,
Yes,
and at the next pointer we will allocate we will
new node.
allocate another node and put the pointer for the new node in the next of the last node,
Yes,
the last node's pointer next, and
yes,
set the new node's pointer to null.
yes. Very good, very good. If the list is if the list is complete, completely empty, completely empty. Okay. So otherwise we have to, এটাকে বলো ঈশান বলো না, so we have to move up to the last node. Okay, so before doing that, so ptr is equal to start. So ptr is equal to start, and while your ptr next, while your ptr next not is equal to null, then while your ptr next not is equal to null, then we have to proceed. So ptr is equal to ptr arrow next. So ptr is equal to ptr arrow next. Okay, and we are after that, after so we are at the last node, so just one bracket. It is a single line. Okay, otherwise so we are at the last node, so ptr next not is equal to null. After completion of the while loop, we are at the last node, so at the last node we have to write ptr arrow next. ptr arrow next is equal to new node, and at the same time new node, as this is the new last node, so new node arrow next is equal to null. This is the last node. Okay, up to this any problem? If this is not empty, if the list is not empty, if the list is not empty, if it is completely empty, and if the list is not empty. Any problem? Joybroto? Any problem up to this?
Sir, can you go a bit up at the function prototype signature, function signature? Yes, sir, this one. Sir, here in struct node create, you have taken struct node start. So,
Yes.
sir, why do we need to take parameter
So
if
you have
we are
to
creating?
after 1 second. So after the last, before the last bracket, you have to return the start. 1 second, sorry. Now your question?
Sir, I'm asking like why do we need to have the parameter struct node start? Because we are we are creating the list, so obviously the list is empty, that's why we are creating.
Yes.
If else so why do we need struct node start as an input into the function? It is null at the beginning.
Okay, very good question. এটা কে করেছে? Kishan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good. So you have to initialize, thank you. for clarification, struct, struct node, struct node. So struct node, what has start is equal to null. We initialize. Sorry. ফিফটটা কেন কাজ করছে না? কি initialization? Okay, so this is the initialization. Is it fine? किशन ठीक है एबार?
हाँ सर ऐसे भी ठीक है, या फिर हम लोग बिना पैरामीटर के भी बना सकते थे फंक्शन
হ্যাঁ,
को।
you can do this also. তোমার ব্যাপার, তুমি যেভাবে করবে, ঠিক আছে? Okay, up to this any problem please ask me. ঋতার্থ বৈরাগী,
ইয়েস স্যার।
বলো কি প্রবলেম আছে এই পর্যন্ত?
স্যার বুঝতে পেরেছি।
বুঝতে পেরে গেছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার, পড়াচ্ছি না।
বাবা, আমি তো সেরকম করে পড়াতেই পারলাম না। মনিকা?
আচ্ছা স্যার।
হ্যাঁ বলো। বলো ঈশান বলো।
হ্যাঁ, ফাংশনের ভেতরে ক্রিয়েটের ভেতরে স্ট্রাক্ট নোড পয়েন্টার নিউ নোড, আবার মানে দুটো পয়েন্টার ওখানে এমনি আলাদা করে ইনিশিয়ালাইজ করছি, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ, না করলে তো হবে না। এভরি টাইম ইউ হ্যাভ টু ক্রিয়েট ডাইনামিক্যালি নিউ নোড, দ্যাট পার্টিকুলার নিউ নোড, অ্যাজ দিস ইজ দ্য সেলফ রেফারেন্সিং ডেটা স্ট্রাকচার, দিস নিউ নোড শুড হ্যাভ টু টাইপস, তাই তো? দুটো মানে টু টাইপস বলতে টু পার্টস, ডেটা পার্ট এন্ড দ্য নেক্সট পার্ট। দ্যাটস ওয়াই this should be a pointer and return type is struct node, আর টেম্পোরারি একটা পয়েন্টার তো রাখতেই হবে ফর ট্রাভার্সিং ফ্রম লাস্ট টু লাস্ট, ফার্স্ট টু লাস্ট।
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে স্যার।
আচ্ছা মনিকা, বুঝতে পেরেছো?
ইয়েস স্যার, নিচে থেকে একটু দেখতে হবে।
আবার দেখতে হবে?
হ্যাঁ, তাহলেই তো বুঝতে পারবো একটু ভালো করে।
দেখো তোমাদের ওই গ্রুপে অর্চনা আছে না, ওই ফার্স্ট গ্রুপে?
হুম।
ওদের কালকে করিয়েছিলাম এটা, আজকে ওদের মানে ব্রেক আছে, ও বসে বসে এখন এটা কোড করছে, বাকিরা হয়তো ঘুমাচ্ছে। হ্যাঁ বলো।
পুরো ব্ল্যাঙ্ক হয়ে গেছি স্যার।
কে কে এটা? কে বলছে এটা? জয়ব্রত নাকি?
দেবজ্যোতি স্যার।
দেবজ্যোতি, কি হয়েছে? কোথায় ব্ল্যাঙ্ক হয়ে গেছে আবার?
স্যার এই কোডের শুরু থেকে কি মানে কোডটা বা শুরুটা ঠিকই চলছিল স্যার, তারপর হঠাৎ করে স্যার কি বললেন স্যার কিছুই মাথায় ঢুকলো না স্যার, তারপরে কোডটা এই প্রোগ্রামটা কিছুই ঢুকছে না মাথায় স্যার। এটা কি
কোডটা নিয়ে ভাবার দরকার নেই, কোড তুমি পারবে। তুমি অ্যালগরিদমটা কি বুঝেছো আগে সেটা বল।
স্যার অ্যালগরিদম বলতে স্যার ওই ট্র্যাভার্সিংটা স্যার মোটামুটি বুঝেছি, তারপর সার্চিংটা, হ্যাঁ সার্চিং এর শুরুটা বুঝেছি, তারপর এই কোডটা স্যার কি লিখেছেন কিছু মাথায় ঢুকছে না স্যার।
কোডটা কি দেখতে পাচ্ছো?
হ্যাঁ কোড দেখতে পাচ্ছি স্যার, কিন্তু কিছু বুঝিনি।
আচ্ছা ফার্স্ট লাইনটা কি করেছি? ফার্স্ট লাইন করছি যে create is a function, return type is struct node. Why struct node? Because node is the name of the মানে নোডের নামটাই আমি নোড দিচ্ছি। Now this node has two parts, one part is data part whose return type is integer, and second part is the pointer part. Okay, second part, the second part is the pointer part, তাই তো? নেক্সট পয়েন্টারের নাম হচ্ছে নেক্সট, whose return type is struct node. Why? Self referencing, as this is the self referencing. One pointer points to a node whose type is also same as the previous one. That's why self referencing. Now now new node every time as we are dealing with linked
কেন
list,
এই স্টার দিয়ে create লেখা কেন স্টার দিয়ে ক্রিয়েট লেখা কেন স্যার
কোথায় স্টার
স্টার্ট নোডের পরে
পয়েন্টার পয়েন্টার
স্টার দিয়ে ক্রিয়েট
ফাংশন পয়েন্টার আমি ক্রিয়েট করছি একটা স্ট্রাক্ট নোড আর্গুমেন্ট হচ্ছে
ও আচ্ছা।
ফার্স্ট আর্গুমেন্ট হচ্ছে স্টার্ট ওকে স্টার্টকে ইনিশিয়ালাইজ করছি নাল দিয়ে ইনিশিয়ালাইজ করলাম এবার তুমি এখানে কোনো আর্গুমেন্ট না দিয়েও প্রোগ্রাম করতে পারো ইট কমপ্লিটলি ডিপেন্ডস আপন ইউ তোমার যা ইচ্ছা তুমি সেভাবে করতে পারো ঠিক আছে এবার ডায়নামিক্যালি এখানে দুটো পয়েন্টার নিতে হচ্ছে ওয়ান পয়েন্টার ইজ নিউ নোড ওয়াই নিউ নোড কারণ নিউ নোডকে এভরি টাইম ইফ রিকোয়ার্ড অ্যাজ পার ইউর রিকোয়ারমেন্ট যেমন অ্যারে থেকে অলরেডি সাইজ ইজ ফিক্সড সাপোজ দেয়ার আর 30 স্টুডেন্টস ইন দ্য ক্লাস সো অ্যারে 30 স্টুডেন্ট 30 এবার যদি নাও ইফ উই অ্যাড 5 এক্সট্রা স্টুডেন্টস দেন আইদার উই হ্যাভ টু ইউজ দ্য লিঙ্ক লিস্ট অর উই হ্যাভ টু ইউজ দ্য ডায়নামিক অ্যালোকেশন ইন অ্যারে সেটা করতে হবে তো otherwise we can't use the static array so every time you have to use the new node so this new node it must have two parts either data one is data part another is next part so struct node start new node and pointer another pointer is used for traversing the array traversing the linked list now its return type is also struct node হবে তো struct node
হ্যাঁ নিজের মধ্যে দুটো নোড একটা যেটা ক্রিয়েট করবে একটা যেটা পয়েন্টার যেটা ট্রাভার্স
করব both have same type struct node
হ্যাঁ সেম টাইপ হ্যাঁ
now if we explore the node we have two parts data part and the pointer part that is next part now we enter -1 for end ending from the loop okay and n is your data so unless and until we put -1 from the keyboard this loop works okay so this line is used for dynamic allocation dynamic memory allocation so new node is equal to যেরকম c তে জানতে we use malloc এর first part is the cast type so what is the cast type is the struct node struct this is the format general format then malloc within malloc you can write byte size okay so byte size what is the byte size size of this node what is the size of this node so struct node size of struct node okay next data part we input the n at the data part of the new node so new node arrow data here we are dealing with the pointer so new node arrow data that's why new node arrow data okay because new node is a pointer new node is a pointer node so data new node arrow data is n okay so this n is stored at the data part of the new node newly created node here we dynamically create the new node next if your list is completely empty what is the condition if your start that is the pointer first pointer if this is null that is your list is completely empty if this happens if your list is completely empty then কি করবে তাহলে new node is automatically created একটা তো node create হলো one node is created so
প্রথমে
this node is the first node as well as this node is the last node now as this node is the last node so what should we do the next part of the new node newly created node must be made null so that's why new node next is null okay null করে দিলাম next part কে now one thing is we have to declare this newly created node is your start node so that's why start is equal to new node so if your list is entirely empty completely empty then this code is helpful this particular 3 lines are helpful okay otherwise
ওই নোডের নেক্সট নোডটাকে নাল করে দিচ্ছি পয়েন্টারে আর ওইটাকেই ফার্স্ট নোড হিসেবে দেখেছি স্টার্টটাকে আমরা ইনিশিয়ালাইজ করছি নাল দিয়ে
স্টার্টটাকে ইনিশিয়ালাইজ করছি নাল দিয়ে একদম প্রথমে
আচ্ছা তাহলে স্যার যখনই ঢুকে তখন তো এটা এক্সিকিউট করবে না
অ্যাকচুয়ালি তাই যখন থেকে শুরু হবে ফার্স্ট থেকে এটা স্টার্ট হবে
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা
ওকে so after the creation of the first loop it will enter in the next part তখন আর নেক্সট পার্টে আসবে না। ফার্স্টে মনে করো
হ্যাঁ
573 573 is the 573, these are 3 nodes at the 3 data parts. Okay, তাহলে ফার্স্টে মনে করো
হুম
start is null, so 5 is inserted at the data part. তাহলে 5
হুম
node number 5 first node with data 5 is created হলো।
হুম
Next we insert 7, so user input, so user input is 7, we enter 7, so next 7 next n is 7. So while your n, so 7 not is equal to -1, so next dynamically new node is created and this 7 is inserted in the new node. Okay, now if start is null, no, your start is not null, start is 5, start is pointing to the 5, so that's why else ptr, that is your list is not empty, the else part, so else ptr is equal to start. Okay, your list is not empty, there are some things in your list, so your list is not empty, so ptr is equal to start. Okay, now you have to traverse, suppose there are 10 nodes are there, okay, existing, there are 10 nodes in the existing list. Okay, you are going to insert 11th node, so you have to traverse from first node to the 10th node, then only you can append the 11th node after 10th node. So how, first of all you have to traverse, so how to traverse, so you have to first set a temporary pointer ptr, so this ptr is helpful, its return type is struct node. So while ptr
ইনিশিয়াল আচ্ছা
next হচ্ছে while ptr not is equal to null. Okay, while ptr not is equal to null, unless and so what is the condition for the last node? Last node's condition is that its data its pointer part is made null. So unless and until we get the last node, so ptr arrow next not is equal to null, we have to proceed. Okay, so sorry, this is the proceed, we have to proceed, right? So we have to proceed here. Next, now after the completion of the last this while loop, we are at the last node 10, say for example we are at the 10th node, now we have to add the 11th node. Okay, now কিভাবে add করব, now new nodes next, sorry, ptr's next, the ptr, the last node's next part should point to the new node. তাই তো হবে নাকি?
হ্যাঁ নতুন যেটা ক্রিয়েট হবে তার দিকে পয়েন্ট করবে। হ্যাঁ
suppose 1 2 3 nodes are there, 3 existing nodes are there, now your ptr is at last node and this is your new node which has value 5. Okay, which has value 5, right? So as per code, ptr next is new node, so ptr next is new node, so first of all ptr next, so where ptr next is null, so you have to delete this null. Okay, right? Then ptr next is pointing to the new node, so ptr next is pointing to the new node. Okay, is it clear? Then new node next is null, so new node next is null, so new node next is null. হলো, এবার কমপ্লিট হলো? বুঝতে পেরেছে সবাই? এনি প্রবলেম? ঈশিতা আগরওয়াল? ঈশিতা?
Yes, sir. So, can you please show the code once?
Okay.
Sir, in the else portion, while PTR next is not equals to null. Sir, in this one, if 10 elements are there, then it will execute till 9th, and then the insertion would be there in the 10th one, na? Like
This will
10.
be at the 10th one. PTR next not is equal to null. So first one, 1, 2, 3. Let there are 4 nodes. 1, 2, 3, and 5. Okay, there are 4 nodes. So initially PTR is at 1. PTR is at starting position. Next, PTR arrow next. So PTR arrow next not is equal to null. So we have to proceed the second one. Next, we are proceeding third one. Next, PTR next. PTR arrow next not is equal to null. PTR arrow next not is equal to, yes. PTR arrow next not is equal to null. So after third node, is it clear? Then, is it clear? Then PTR arrow next not is equal to null. Stop here. But inside the code, inside the loop, PTR arrow next. PTR is equal to PTR arrow next. So you have to proceed once again. You are now at this point. You are now at this location, last node, for which we get the next part of this node is null. You have to do this PTR is equal to PTR arrow next. This line once advance. You have to count this line for once. Ishan. Ishan, are you there? Ishan?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
এই যে কোশ্চেনটা করছে, ঈশিতা যে কোশ্চেনটা করছে, while PTR arrow next not is equal to null, PTR is equal to PTR next. This line inside this while loop. ও বলছে ওর কোশ্চেন হচ্ছে while PTR arrow next not is equal to null, while PTR arrow next not is equal to null, এটা করলে তো আপ টু 3 পর্যন্ত যাবে, 5 তো যাবে না।
না কেন?
ওই কোশ্চেনটা করছে যে 3 পর্যন্ত যাবে, 5 এ যাবে না। while PTR arrow next not is equal to null, this will be up to third node 3, লাস্টে যাবে না। কেন লাস্টে যাবে না? কেন লাস্টে যাবে বলো তো?
স্যার মানে লিংক লিস্টে আছে 1 2 3 5 তাই তো?
1 2 3 5, yes, 1 2 3 5।
আমি স্টার্ট করছি 1 দিয়ে। we are starting the start or the head is the first node, which contains the data 1, and the pointer points to the second node 2. Now when we have iterated once, we see that the pointer changes from the pointer that was pointing to the second node is now pointing to the third node. When the second iteration
pointing to second node,
as a start যখন ছিল তো স্টার্ট ছিল সেকেন্ড নোডে গেল, সেকেন্ড নোডে পয়েন্ট করছে, সেকেন্ড নোডটা থার্ড নোডে পয়েন্ট করবে, থার্ড নোডটা ইনিশিয়ালি নালে থাকবে, ওই জন্য বেরিয়ে আসবে, কিন্তু while not null বলেছে, তার মানে আমি যখন 3 তে আছি তখন আমার যখন 2 তে আছি তখন আমার নালে সেট হয়ে যাচ্ছে।
না, তখন নালে সেট হচ্ছে না, 3 তে গিয়ে নালে সেট হচ্ছে।
ওই 3 তে গিয়ে নালে সেট হয়ে যাচ্ছে, 2 থেকে 3 তে যাওয়ার পর যখন 3 তে থার্ড মানে 3 নম্বর বার যখন লুপটা ঘুরছে তখন নালে সেট হয়ে যাচ্ছে, তখন লুপ থেকে বেরিয়ে আসছে।
ইয়েস, ইনসাইড দ্য লুপ, লুপ থেকে বেরিয়ে আসছে না, inside the loop there is a PTR is equal to PTR next.
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
We
ওটার
have to
পরে
do-
নাল
we
হলো
have
তো
to- হ্যাঁ
তিনবার ঘোরার পর নাল হয়ে গেল ওই পিটিআর নেক্সট করে পিটিআর ইকুয়ালস টু পিটিআর অ্যারো নেক্সট
হুম
নিয়ে ও তখন আমার যে নতুন ব্লকটা আছে সেই ব্লকটা নাল দেখাচ্ছে
হুম
নিয়ে তারপর আমি যে 5 আছে ওর অ্যাড্রেসটা ওর সঙ্গে লিংক করে দিচ্ছি।
ঠিকঠাক হলো না, বোঝাতে পারলে না।
কোডটা দেখো স্যার, আমি বলে দিচ্ছি।
Sir,
কোড দেখিয়ে লাভ, কোড দেখাবো কেন?
না না মানে তুমি যেটা লিখেছো সুডো কোডটা
কেউ পারবে? এনিওয়ান?
sir, it should be PTR not equal
No,
to null.
PTR arrow next not equal to null.
नहीं नहीं सही है
1
सर आई कैन
দাঁড়াও দাঁড়াও দাঁড়াও, এটা কে? কিষান?
यस
দাঁড়াও
सर
আমি লিখে দিচ্ছি। 1 2 1 second 1 2 3 1 2 3. Let there are 3 nodes. Okay, this is the last node, so we made the next pointer as null. Now step by step execution. So this is the start node. Now Kishan, explain.
yes sir sir at the beginning we have written ptr equal to start.
Yes, PTR is equal to
PTR
start.
will
So
be one.
PTR start and 1 both are at
Yes,
the
sir.
same. Okay, then
Yes. Now it will check the condition of the loop while ptr next not equal to null.
while PTR next not equal to null.
Yes, so there is an element which is next to 1, so it is false, it is
Not
true.
True.
So it is entering and the ptr gets advanced to the next node.
So
I mean,
this
ptr changes to 2.
so this line executes once.
Yes sir,
So your next PTR will be at
yes sir, now ptr is 2.
2. Okay.
Now it checks the condition of the loop again and
Not
checks
equal-
if there is any node next to 2.
Okay.
And it finds that the node next to 2 is 3. I mean, it finds that there is a node next to 2,
yes.
so it in the advances ptr to 3.
So it advanced PTR to 3.
And
Now,
now it checks that if there is any node next to 3 or not, and it finds null, so it gets out of the loop and we get ptr as the last node.
is it clear to you, Ishita Agarwal? Ishita,
Yes,
Is
sir.
it
Yes, sir. Now
is it clear?
I got it, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
So 1 minute.
One
So when
minute.
it is at the position 2
Hmm.
and it will check PTR dot next not equal to null.
Hmm.
So sir, the position at 3, the PTR dot next is null. So it will not go to 3.
Why not? PTR at position 2 at when this is at position second node. Okay.
Yes,
When this
sir.
is at position second node, then PTR arrow next.
हाँ,
So
which
PTR arrow
means
next, which one?
जो 3 का next है वो वाला.
ठीक है, next है वो वाला.
जो 3 को
मतलब-
पॉइंट करे वो नेक्स्ट होगा।
हाँ, तो 3 को कौन सा पॉइंट
नहीं,
करेगा?
देख
Two के
ptr
next
अभी सेकंड नोड है, तो ptr dot
PTR arrow next.
next
PTR
मतलब-
is the end. Initially PTR S and 1 both are same. So this is your PTR is just a node. Okay. This has two parts, data part and link part. So when it resides at the second node, its data part is not null. That's why we proceed to 3. When it
Huh?
resides at the second node, its data part is not null.
Sir, to check that the data part is not null, we have to write PTR is not equal to null. If we write PTR dot next not equal to null, it will not go to 3.
What will be the return type of PTR? What will be the return type of PTR?
Struct node.
Struct node. Very good. And how to write struct node? It has two parts, data part and the pointer part. Next part. So every time, what is this? Suppose suppose inside this we write let printf
Sir,
one second
sir, in the
printf, one second printf %d ptr data. One bracket is one second bracket is there and another second bracket is let there. So what will it print? Print data, ptr data. Every ptr has two parts. One part is the data part, another part is the link part, info part, next part. So when your ptr next is not null, that is the second part of your ptr node is not null. ptr is a temporary node, temporary pointer node that are used for scanning from first to last. So when your ptr next not is equal to null, when you are at the second position, then ptr, that is p, we write p arrow data. So p arrow data will be, what will be the value? P arrow data is 2 and p arrow next
is null. हाँ sir, because it will point to the next ptr dot next, मतलब कि ptr 3 का जो next value है वो ना.
Megha, 1 second. After completion of this class, please try to write the code and contact me if necessary. Okay? এই ক্লাসের পরেই তুমি কিন্তু কোডটা কমপ্লিট করবে, কোডটা কমপ্লিট করে যতটা করবে just write down one code fragment in the code block or any other compiler. আর প্রবলেম যখনই হবে তুমি আমাকে ডাইরেক্ট কল করো, বা যে প্রবলেমটা হচ্ছে জাস্ট টেক আ স্ন্যাপ এন্ড সেন্ড মি থ্রু দা হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ। ঠিক আছে?
But yes sir, but please go to that code part.
Okay.
Sir, scroll up, like that searching part we did.
ptr arrow
Not
sorry,
equal to, ptr not equal to null.
ptr not is equal to null.
Sir,
ptr not,
अगर वैसा होता कि ptr dot next not equals to null करने से लास्ट वैल्यू जाता है, तो यहाँ पे भी हम लोग को ptr dot next ही करना चाहिए था ना?
what is this? Start is equal to null.
हाँ.
Start is equal to null means
start equals to null मतलब कि हम लोग पहला नोड क्रिएट कर रहे हैं, मतलब इनिशियलाइज कर रहे हैं.
so what is start? Start क्या है? Start एक नोड है, उसका रिटर्न टाइप क्या है? स्टार्ट नोड है, स्टार्ट नोड है. ptr क्या है?
पॉइंटर.
So its return type struct node. So it has two parts. If it completely null, if your entire node is completely null, that is you are at the last node. That is you are at the totally last node. ptr, your entire complete node is null unless and until you are at the last node. So ptr not is equal to null.
Sir, I am understanding that. I am saying that ptr सिर्फ लिखने से we'll search that whether the data is null and the next part is null. If any one of it is present, we will go to the next node.
Okay. Just এই ক্লাসটা কমপ্লিট হওয়ার পর তুমি just write this searching part using ptr arrow next not is equal to null and understand the result, and ptr not is equal to null, and try to understand between the differences between these two changes. তুমি এটা কমপ্লিট করো, কমপ্লিট করে দেখো, দেখে আমাকে ফোন করো বা হোয়াটসঅ্যাপ করো, ঠিক আছে? গ্রুপে আর পার্সোনালি।
ওকে স্যার।
ঠিক আছে? এটা ক্লারিফিকেশন সবাই করতে পারো। এই ক্লারিফিকেশনটা ক্লাস কমপ্লিট হওয়ার পর সন্ধ্যাবেলায় ইউ ক্যান ডু দ্য সার্চিং পার্ট, অনলি সার্চিং পার্টের কোডটা কমপ্লিট করো ইউজিং the ptr not is equal to null and ptr arrow next not is equal to null. And please পার্সোনালি or গ্রুপে আমাকে স্ক্রিনশটটা শেয়ার করো যে কি প্রবলেম ফেস করছো, ঠিক আছে? ঈশান, কিষান, সবাইকে বলছি, মনিকা, ঈশিতা, প্রত্যেকে, যাদের আমি প্রত্যেকে, যতজন রিতম দত্ত আছে প্রত্যেককে বলছি, দেখো করে দেখো।
স্যার
হ্যাঁ
এমনি একটা মানে নন সিলেবাস কোয়েশ্চেন করছি,
বলো।
এমনি যে ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ গুলো আছে যেগুলা টেমপ্লেট সাপোর্ট করে, এই ধরো সি প্লাস প্লাসেই করছি আমি এটা, আমি যদি যে নোডের পুরো যে স্ট্রাকচারটা আছে আমি ওটাকে একটা টেমপ্লেট ধরে করি,
হ্যাঁ
তাহলে কি আমি
শোনো সি প্লাস প্লাস করতেই পারো, খুব ভালো হয়। সি প্লাস প্লাস, জাভা, এক সেকেন্ড ধরো তো একটু। সি প্লাস প্লাস, জাভা, সি, যে পাইথন, তোমাদের পাইথন হচ্ছে এখন পাইথন থ্রু ডেটা স্ট্রাকচার, মাধবান মুকুন্দের একটা কোর্স আছে, তোমরা সেটাও করতে পারো। আচ্ছা আমি রেকর্ডিংটা তাহলে স্টপ করছি, দাঁড়াও।